In a lush, verdant savanna, where the sun kissed the earth with golden fire, there lived a gentle giraffe named Gideon. Gideon was not like the others, for he had a longer neck than any giraffe the savanna had ever seen. Gideon's unusual length, however, was a source of both admiration and envy. The other animals, particularly the elephants, wished for his ability to reach the highest leaves, the ones untouched by their short noses. Yet, Gideon saw the world not through the lens of envy but of empathy. One day, as the sun set, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, a young elephant named Elara approached Gideon. Elara, with her small stature, was unable to reach the waterhole, now dwindling under the sun's scorching heat. Gideon, feeling the pain in Elara's eyes, remembered the days when he too struggled to reach the leaves he desired. He extended his long neck, bending low to the ground, and offered Elara a drink from the waterhole. Elara, surprised and grateful, looked at Gideon, her eyes brimming with gratitude. She realized that Gideon's long neck was not just a gift for himself, but for the entire savanna. In the days that followed, Gideon continued to help the other animals, reaching the highest leaves for the monkeys, the fruits for the antelopes, and the water for the elephants. His long neck, once a source of envy, became a symbol of unity and friendship. The savanna flourished under Gideon's care, and the animals, once divided by their differences, learned to appreciate each other's unique qualities. The story of Gideon, the long-necked giraffe, served as a reminder that our differences can be a gift, not just for ourselves, but for the world around us. In the end, it was Gideon's empathy, his ability to see beyond his own needs, that made him a beacon of hope and unity in the savanna. And as the seasons changed, and the sun set, casting long shadows over the land, Gideon's legacy lived on, inspiring all who knew him to look beyond their own desires and to extend a helping hand, just as Gideon had done.